This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Express to make a video. First, open Adobe Express and navigate to the video section. You'll find options to start a new project, either by selecting a pre-designed template or by beginning with a blank canvas. Familiarize yourself with the intuitive interface, which allows for easy drag-and-drop functionality to add your media. This initial step sets the foundation for your creative video journey. Now, let's bring your story to life by adding content. You can easily upload your personal video clips, images, and audio, or explore the extensive Adobe stock library for professional assets. Once your media is in place, use the timeline to trim, split, and rearrange clips with precision. Don't forget to adjust audio levels, add engaging background music, and even record a voiceover to enhance your narrative. To make your video truly stand out, incorporate dynamic text and visual effects. Adobe Express offers a wide range of animated text styles, allowing you to customize fonts, colors, and sizes to match your brand. Smooth transitions between scenes will keep your audience engaged, while filters and effects can dramatically alter the video's mood. You can also add graphic elements and icons to visually emphasize important points, making your message clearer. Finally, it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Before exporting, take a moment to preview your entire video to catch any last-minute adjustments. Once satisfied, choose your preferred resolution and format, such as high-definition 1080 pixels, for optimal quality. Adobe Express makes it simple to share your video directly to popular social media platforms or download the file for versatile use across various channels. Your creation is ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.